Hi, so in this video we are gonna try a grayscale challenge where we basically pick some colors, random colors, and then turn grayscale filter on, and then we draw without seeing the real colors, basically in grayscale scale mode, and then we see our art at last, and it turned out like colorful, but I don't know how my art is gonna turn out. I know it's gonna be really some alien species on the planet, and let's find out at the last what we got. But to be honest, I really enjoyed the process of drawing because it was so fun. You just have black and white colors and no worries of matching the colors, giving some complementary colors and all those stuff. So it was really fun for me to draw, and this is the final result what I got. And I know this looks like some kind of alien species, so I just try to fix it later on. By the way, this is the real time lapse which was recorded on my iPad, and this is the end result. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.